how to create PAG-IBIG account. So if you want to create PAG-IBIG account, then first you need to open up your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with. Once you're under your browser, now you just need to simply go with the search. Under search, you need to search for PAG-IBIG. Once you've searched, you will have this kind of interface where you can simply choose the login option, tap on login, and it will take you to this kind of interface from where you just need to simply go with create account option. Once you tap on create account, it will take you to this kind of page from where you'll be able to create your virtual PAG-IBIG account. So to create, what you need to do is you just need to simply choose which account that you would like to create, or just simply go with the website, tap on it, and it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply enter the email address on the first blank. Once you enter the email address, now you need to enter the password on the next one. If you already have an account, then you can simply go and log in right here. But if you don't have an account, then simply go with create account, which is on the upper side. So if you want to create your account through the loyalty card plus, you can simply choose the first option. Or if you want to create and activate your account online, then go with the second one. And if you want to create account creation for OFWs, then you can simply go with the third one. So I'll be choosing the second. Tap on click here and tap on next, again next, and it says that you need to have these things. You need to have PAG-IBIG MID number, and you need to have the mobile number which is active, and then you need to have an active email address, and you need to have the valid identification cards, which is ID cards, and you need to have a selfie photo that you would need to upload. And after that, you'll be able to create your account. So you just need to simply tap on proceed, and it will take you to this kind of page. So you just need to simply go with the PAG-IBIG MID number, and then enter your member's last name and the member's first name and member's middle name. So you just need to simply enter your last name, first name, and middle name. And then if you don't have your middle name, then you can tap on no middle name, and you need to enter your date of birth and the mobile number. And after that, proceed, and it will take you to the next step where you will need to enter your ID or your email address, and then you need to create your password. So just follow the steps and your account will be created. So make sure to enter valid and real information. And that's it. That's how you can create your PAG-IBIG account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.